Which street? Go back toward the truckway? From the bathroom?
Damn. Blow up. Blow up. Uh-oh. That's not good. Go now. Ah. That could have been awesome.
Like right on the edge of the water.
No, right over the truck.
Uh-oh.
Did y'all see the lightning?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, that's why they started early.
Now bunch together like that.
I know. Like Kiefer did. It's like one giant one. That fire is still on.
Yep, it's burning bad.
I bet they tried to stop it, but the fire burned.
Well, they can't shoot fireworks if they send somebody out there to put it out.
I would just like to see them all go off at the same time. So it's no random fight.
I'd be down with that.
Let's go. Bam, 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 bam. Explosion. Yay. Over.
Oh, that was fun. Let's go.
Why don't you throw those at the same time? Same pattern over and over. I'm really happy we went to Kiefer.
Oh, yeah. It's always the best.
It's okay. That's cool.
Pretty. That's pretty.
They're coming down a long way, too. That was huge.
Oh.
Watch us play the grand finale.
No, it's not the grand finale.
That one of them over there went up at the exact same time.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
You're at 21st Street.
I just got hit by a piece of it.
Maybe so the fire?
Oh, okay, you see the parking lot? Okay, go in there. Okay, we'll keep coming towards the river. There's like a little path. Like off the sidewalk. I think I see
I love watching where they come out to the fire. Uh-oh.
Oh. Oh, shit! That's not right! Yeah! That was a fuck up.
But that was better than what they were doing.
Hell yeah!
I got video of that, honey.
Huh?
I got video of that.
Yes!
That was a whole damn truck going up.
Joe.
Oh, that was worth it.
I know. I'm kind of like.
Aaron, she had video running.
Go back home. I just saw a bridge blow up.
Ew. I bet that's the end of the show right there.
Yeah, probably.
Holy shit.
Look at
See
fire.
anything up there?
No, there's nothing. You can't get in.
It's still burning.
Wow. I bet that was all of them.
I bet that fire finally triggered everything
Look,
on
there's
that.
still
Set everything off.
there's little
Oh,
ashes.
there's stuff burning out of the water. There's smoke on it.
I'm seeing ashes fall right over there.
It's like that just probably shortened the show a little bit.
That's all right,
That was
though. You
better
haven't
than
seen
the
a
whole
whole